If I could have reached the bottle of pills, I would have, but they knew enough to keep them away from me. And so that probably is for a good reason, because I think there's a lot of people that can be helped with my story. I'm just skeptical that it was just another thing, and I feel like people in my position that are vulnerable, people prey on them a lot. It's like, oh, here's the latest, greatest thing. I'm just really thrilled to see what was offered here because it's outside of the box and it's effective. I would say my attention span was not as good, and I do notice now that I'm able to stay on task a little bit more. And my handwriting, I actually wrote in an online journal that was kind of a fancy, expensive one, and so it looks so much better. And I'm thrilled with that. I've noticed a little bit more smoothness in my gait. I feel like I'm proceeding with absolute certainty. And before, I really, not that I wanted, but I don't know, it's hard to quantify, but I just feel much more certain that this is just one more step in my journey. Just do it. I mean, seriously. Oh, and we're here for such a short amount of time. I mean, honestly, make it the best. Because, I don't know, why not? Because it breaks my heart to see people that are given no hope. It's unconscionable for medical practitioners. And so, being a registered nurse myself, I just feel like there's a lack of compassion and just curiosity about healing. And I don't know, I just find that to be intellectually lazy, and I don't like that. My name is Beverly Pember, and I am in the midst of recovering from a neurological incident that happened several years ago, which left me as a quadriplegic. I was given no help by conventional neurological medicine, and I am a perpetual seeker because I am a troubadour of hope.